We live in the computer age. Computers are everywhere. They're in our homes, schools and offices. We use them for work, play and communication. But have you ever wondered where computers came from? How did these amazing machines come to be? The story of the computer is a long and fascinating one. It's a story of brilliant minds, groundbreaking inventions, and constant innovation. From the mechanical calculators of the 19th century to the powerful smartphones in our pockets today, computers have revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with the world. This essay will take you on a journey through the evolution of computers. We'll explore the key milestones and the pioneers who shaped this incredible technology. We'll start with the earliest mechanical computers and trace their development through the digital revolution to the present day. Finally, we'll look ahead to the future of computing and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Join me as we delve into the captivating world of computers and discover how these remarkable machines have transformed our world. Our journey begins in the 19th century with a visionary mathematician named Charles Babbage. Babbage is often called the father of the computer because he conceived of the first mechanical computer, known as the difference engine. Babbage was frustrated with the errors that were common in mathematical tables at the time. These tables were used for navigation, engineering, and other important calculations. Babbage believed that a machine could be built to calculate these tables more accurately and efficiently than humans. In 1822, Babbage designed the difference engine. It was a complex machine with thousands of gears and levers. It was designed to calculate mathematical tables using a method called the method of differences. Although Babbage never completed the full-scale difference engine due to funding constraints and the limitations of the technology at the time, his ideas laid the groundwork for the development of computers. While Babbage's difference engine was a groundbreaking invention, it was still a mechanical device. The real breakthrough in computing came in the 1940s with the development of the first electronic computers. One of the pioneers of electronic computing was Konrad Zuse, a German engineer. In 1941, Zuse completed the Z3, the world's first programmable, fully automatic digital computer. Unlike Babbage's mechanical machine, the Z3 used electromechanical relays to perform calculations. The Z3 was a significant advance in computer technology. It was much faster than any previous calculating machine and could be programmed to perform a variety of tasks. Although the Z3 was destroyed in World War II, it paved the way for the development of more powerful and versatile electronic computers. Section 4. Mainframes, the rise of IBM. The 1950s and 60s saw the rise of mainframe computers. These were large, expensive machines that were primarily used by governments and large corporations. One of the most important companies in the development of mainframe computers was IBM. In 1964, IBM introduced the System/360, a family of mainframe computers that revolutionized the industry. The System/360 was designed to be compatible with a wide range of software and peripherals. This made it easier for businesses to upgrade their computer systems without having to rewrite their software. The IBM System/360 was a huge success, and it helped to solidify IBM's position as the dominant force in the computer industry. Mainframe computers continued to play a vital role in business and government for many years. However, the stage was set for another revolution in computing, the personal computer. To Section 5, the personal computer revolution. In the 1970s, a new breed of computer emerged, the personal computer, often called the PC. PCs were smaller, more affordable, and easier to use than mainframes. This made them accessible to a much wider audience. One of the first commercially successful personal computers was the Altair 8800, released in 1975. It was a kit computer that users had to assemble themselves. Despite its limitations, the Altair 8800 sparked the imagination of hobbyists and entrepreneurs, and it helped to launch the personal computer revolution. Other key players in the PC revolution included Apple Computer, founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, and Microsoft, founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Apple's Apple II, released in 1977, was one of the first mass-market home computers. Microsoft's MS-DOS operating system, released in 1981, became the standard operating system for IBM-compatible PCs. The PC revolution brought computing power to the masses, and it had a profound impact on society.